Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another you versus them. Let's see how you're feeling, Aquarius, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect now in this connection, Aquarius. These are general collective readings. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your likes and your lovely comments. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'll have your mutual energies. Oh, all right. And your action cards as well as some dialogue message cards. Bottom of my deck, I do see the underlying energy of this read is the Two of Wands in reverse, which means some decision has been made. No longer standing at crossroads. Or somebody needing to make that decision, I don't know. Let's take two action cards here. One for you and one for you. All right, so let's begin our reading. Let me just give me a minute. I'll just internalize this reading. Okay. All right. Person B. Okay. So from what I see from person A's end here, things are really not working out here. Things just not coming back together, and they're losing hope. It's almost like losing hope in working things out with their person. And where person B is concerned, they are also going through quite a lot of depression right now. They do want a reconciliation if possible, that they are also kind of depressed and losing hope now. Let's see, let's start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from here. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Maybe person B is kind of lost hope and they want to go out and find happiness elsewhere. They do seem to be looking forward to meeting up now, or kind of building things up with, new set of friends maybe, or connecting with their friends and family. That's also a possibility. Of course, I'll clarify all these cards, Aquarius, later. Let's start with the dialogue message cards. The first one here says, I've never experienced a love and a connection like this before. Please don't give up on me. I told you, somebody is losing hope that the other person is giving up on them. I would be honored to give you children. I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know the right time to take things to another level. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. I realized that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? I think this is again person A saying, hey, I've realized that I do want you in my life. I have other things on my mind other than you. And the last card here, Aquarius, I think this sums up these dialogue message cards, which says, it's best to part ways. We are not compatible like we used to be. So Aquarius, if this is your story, let's clarify these cards. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. See how my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message card for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Triumphant. Yes, somebody wants to have victory here in this connection, whereas the other person seems to be finding victory leaving. I don't know. Let's see. Let's start with the energies of person A. Forget about person B for a minute. I'm going to concentrate on only one side. This could be you, Aquarius, or the other side could be you. I don't know. So, Spirit, person A has the Three of Pentacles in reverse and the Star in reverse. Why is that? Three of Pentacles in reverse and the Star in reverse. One more. This person is really losing hope. Yes, they are going through a tower moment. When they're realizing that, we're not being able to work things out, this is a huge, huge shock or a wake-up call for this person, because they're seeing this disruption happen where they're figuring out that there is nothing left here. There is nothing to look forward to anymore. No more passion, no more forward movement, and no working together at all. This person is going through a huge tower awakening or a tower moment. Yes, they feel there is no hope now. They feel their partner's already made a decision here. And this could be because, why is the Knight of Wands here, Spirit? Knight of Wands. This person is quite angry actually right now. They are very, very upset and very angry, feeling very, like that young blood. That when you don't think with your head and you just think with your your muscles or something. This person is getting frustrated, they are irritated, they are angry, and they don't like the fact that maybe they'll have to be single now, or their person is going to be single. They don't want that to happen, because I have this Nine of Pentacles in reverse twice here for person A's end. They don't like this disruption which is happening. They're feeling angry. That's all I can say. This is like a lot of frustration and anger and losing hope and not seeing progression, and they're really not being wise and using their logic or their head or trying to rectify the situation. In fact, feeling frustrated and angry. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this person to feel this way? Somebody stopped investing in this connection. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, somebody stopped investing in this connection, and either they never did in the past, always made their person feel always abandoned, left out in the cold, and that's the reason I think their partner made a decision that, hey, if you're not going to bring justice or bring balance into this relationship, I'm going to make a choice. I'm going to make a choice that I don't want to work with you anymore. So whatever decision I think person may be made, because there was no balance, no justice being offered in the first place, now person B is feeling the same way, and they're feeling they've been left behind, they've been abandoned, and they feel now their partner's no longer wanting to invest with them anymore. Yes, they're feeling very foolish now. They're feeling very foolish that they lost their person because of whatever happened here. They feel there is no chance of a fresh new beginning anymore, because they feel somebody has already made that decision for them. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? Nine of Wands in reverse. They feel their person is no longer fighting for this connection anymore. Yes, they feel this is the end of maybe a committed relationship, or maybe there is no chance for a commitment anymore. They feel somebody is not even fighting to make this correct again, and they don't like the fact that their partner is going to be single. They don't want that. They are worried that their person will have many more options now, and they may give their love and affection to others maybe. This makes them mad and angry. Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. They feel somebody has halted something that could have been beautiful for them. They feel we could have had this. We could have had the Ten of Pentacles. We could have gone into, that beautiful future together. And they feel somebody has kind of halted that and brought a stagnation to it. And they don't like the fact that now they have to be single. And they don't like the fact that their partner is now going to be single and maybe have options and maybe give to others. So what action person A will take, we'll open later, Aquarius. Let's go on to person B's side and see what's up here. Four of Cups in reverse. Why does person B has the Four of Cups in reverse? They're not accepting any offer from person A, it seems. Yes, they feel they're actually quite depressed as well. They don't want to accept or give any offer because maybe they were expecting an apology or a sorry or something from person A which probably never came. Or even if it did come, it came in too late maybe. Well, they had already decided. This person is going towards new love. Person B is now moving towards new love, it seems. They want something fresh and new because they feel this connection was never balanced. They feel their partner was very immature. I don't know. What's this Page of Cups? What's this Page of Cups, Spirit? Yes, they want to have victory elsewhere. I think that the person is guarding their energy now. They are no longer accepting any offer coming even energetically from person A. They feel person A was very too immature, brought too much imbalance. And the Three of Cups, Spirit? Three of Cups. I think person B is already kind of checking out their other options now. They feel like, person A brought too much imbalance to their life. They totally drained them out completely. They feel emotionally very overwhelmed right now. And they don't know whether they even want to reconcile with person A or not. They're not sure of it. Again, they were looking for something very stable and secure. What person B is trying to tell me is, I wanted this stability, I wanted to be respected, I wanted to feel protected in a connection, but all I got was nothing. I never got anything. I got sadness and depression and, So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to feel this way? Queen of Swords. I think person B kind of picked themselves up. They got some kind of clarity and they started to guard their energy. And in doing so, they realized that their person was never going to do the right thing by them. They I think, started protecting themselves against this King of Pentacles in reverse. They realized that the person was always going to stay the way they are. Maybe, always chasing after money or being, a little bit of a miser maybe, or never giving to them, or not respecting them. They felt that this is not the way they want to grow in life. This clarity came to them that it's better to put an end to this connection maybe. Ace of Swords. Yes. Sad. Yes, as much as I think person B really wanted this, forward movement, the commitment, forever, whatever, they were very clear on that this is what they want. But instead, I think person B found that their person A never made any wise decisions regarding them or the security of their future, and maybe lied to them, or was wishy-washy with them, or was never clear about what the future is going to hold. So I think person B, took back their power here. So how does person B now see this connection, or person B? Person B is telling me, I was never emotionally happy here. I was never, ever, ever emotionally happy here. All 9 cups, drained. Why? Because this commitment doesn't seem like a commitment to me. Nine of Cups in reverse. Nine of Cups in reverse. Nine of Cups in reverse. And the Hierophant in reverse. Oh, somebody's trying to get out of a very stuck place here. Person B is telling me I was never emotionally happy here. This commitment really is not working out for me because there is no solid commitment here. I am deciding now to drop this burden now. I feel betrayed. I feel this is the end. I'm making a decision now because there's been too much stress and too much anxiety here. Too many sleepless nights, too much of worry. I can't take it anymore. I'm dropping this altogether because my person is not wise in their decisions where they should be working towards securing our future. Instead, they behave they behave rash. They behave like this. So person A, will you take any action now? Four of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the Four of Pentacles here in reverse as an action, Spirit? Four of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, all right. They do want to return. They don't want to hold back anymore. Person A doesn't want to hold back anymore. They do want to return back to their partner, or they want their partner to return back to them. They want to have some kind of communication if possible now, right? They don't want this chapter to end at all. They don't want to let their person go. They still have romantic feelings and they do want to come towards person B with an emotional offer. But the only problem here, Aquarius, is they're still coming in as a bit of night energy, okay? Which person B, I think, wants a king. Person B is still coming in with romantic feelings, but is that going to be enough? I don't know. But at least the first step is here where somebody does want to come and communicate. They want to return. They don't want this chapter to end. And yes, they are trying to come towards person B with some kind of emotion or a love offer. So let's see, person B, will you take any action? Ace of Pentacles. Why is that an action, Spirit? Is that towards person A now or on their own? One more. All right, so yes, things are a little in jeopardy right now between the two of you. I think both of you kind of feeling bad about this lost connection. I do feel somewhere person B is also not going to mind trying once again. I'll be honest with you. At least some of you will, some of you won't. I don't know. But from the cards I see here, somebody is all right to start once again. They do want to try once again because they don't like living in this place where, hearts are broken either. They want to heal their broken heart. They don't like the stress and tension and always overthinking and whatever. They would like to return back because they also have a fear of letting go. They don't want this connection to end completely. But whatever conflicts have happened already, I think person B will want some answers here. They've learned to pick themselves up and put some barriers up. They're not going to succumb that easy. Person A, if you're listening, person B does have their guard up. They do have their sword up. They are going to be discussing what really happened here. But they are open to, I think, trying again. I did see that in the first card as well. They don't mind reconciling, but if person B can get the answers they seek. And yes, from the King of Swords to the Queen of Swords as action between the two of you, there is a strong possibility of you guys thrashing it out and, maybe trying it one more time. There can be victory, there can be triumph, you guys can be triumphant if you both can actually hear each other out now. Okay? As much as you guys are giving up, there is a big hope here to work this out and come to a decision. It's just standing at crossroads, make a decision one way or the other. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.